fuck man, yeah, I gotta gonna be a gangsta one day. Anybody getting in the way is gonna go to see your face. Experience is fucking seeing Monday. Once you put your body and his body, don't get like in the shit and you are acting like a blood letter trying to find a bucky yo. Life and death is cheating, anything that'll lead a demon. Now I'm making like a dream break. See a phone one.
Cover the shit mouth with your name. No, they flow Italian rope for home pay. Bruno's the name out to make your face to catch your bait from head to toenail. Watch fly out, niggas to think quick to sip you in. Compliments of Trish, can't kill what's dead in actuality. Can be speed, honey, even that shit. Yeah. I let my bullets through the door, can I do the door flip? White apple in a coffin, I'm pretty awesome. Cause I got a killer office. 6 shots in your front of lower, have you dropping? Used to get the pop of your papa laying the purgatory through the guilty king. Go to one at a door for me if I pull the trigger. Make sure that I never miss. Do it for the king. Make sure that we stay trend.
Not your average Jane and the junior with the JoJo, something like a hot shot. Not like you know, though, stepping on the scene now, I'm standing with the flow, bro. Know how my daddy is, but don't wanna tell you. I'm confident, always feeling like a sailor. Now I'm bringing on the spice. Well, it takes, you can save it. I can't help it, gotta say it, because here it goes.
Once you push your boss, go ahead and kill him off. Word up in the business that I'm never going back. You really wanna fight the guy who whooped or if that's my try to word a woman, then you meet me at the path, and I'm making a new path for your present in the